Hi guys. Today I was moving my plants around into a new spot, um, and uh, I found these. It is basically the Syngonium Pink and uh, the other mutations of the Syngonium Pink. Now we're gonna start with this guy, the Syngonium Pink. It's a Syngonium with pink leaf, and when it grows, the leaf grows older, the pink faded away and turns kind of green. And we're gonna move to the next one. And this is the other mutation of the Syngonium Pink. This is the pink pass. The leaf would be mostly green, with the midribs and the veins still being pink. It's nighttime and the light is not helping at all. So the vein actually looks more pink, but in the camera it doesn't seem to see. That's another one that's pink pass, and in the same plant this leaf is a pink flaked. You see. Now let's move on to the other one. Okay, before we move on to another one, if you let's say you like the pink flaked and you want pink flaked, you have to basically cut the nodes that are the leaf is the pink flaked and propagate it, and hopefully it comes like this one is. I would say it's a success. All the leaves are pink flaked. Well, this one, as you can see, some are like just the pink. This one a little bit flaked. That one is it's actually a faded pink. That one used to be pink flaked. That one is also pink flake. That one seems to be more like pink pass. But this one, let's see what's gonna happen next. But right now I would say it is a successful propagation. All the leaves are the pink flaked as we wanted. Okay, and this is the last of its kind, the pink pastel. It's a Syngonium Pink with not a lot of green spots on, as you can see. Now this is the most expensive among among its mutation of the Syngonium Pink. Well, at least over here in Thailand, that's it's the most expensive among these this bunch. And one thing that I think it's worth the price is because when the leaf gets old and faded, the green spots are still there, the dark green spots. So it's make the leaf has more character than the pink flake or the pink pass. So the green spots are still there when the leaf when the pink faded away. So there's still something to look at rather than faded leaves. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.